Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about the DeWalt Miter Saw and how to build some adapters to get this connected to your shop vac. So as you guys probably know, this comes with this dust bag by default, just like this, and it does not do a great job collecting dust. It does definitely capture some of it, but it's probably 20% of the dust that you create when you use the saw. And so it creates a huge mess inside, outside, wherever you use it. And I found some tips online and I was able to put together a small shopping list from the home store and get everything that I needed to get this hooked up to the shop vac. And it makes a world of difference. All right, so let's get right into it. What are the three parts that you need? So number one, you're gonna need this 1.5 by 1.25 Fernco pipe adapter. I think they call it a flexible coupling. Number two, you're going to need this 90-degree elbow 1.5 PVC, and they call this I think they call it a street elbow. So this side here, you can see this piece here is smaller than this piece. And the third part that you need is a 2.5 to 2.5 inch shop vac adapter. I have a Ridgid Shop Vac, and this came with either with the shop vac or with a car cleaning kit that I bought. But you can also buy, they sell a set of 3 adapters for maybe $11 or $12, and this is one of the 3 that's included. So if you have a Ridgid Shop Vac, you may already have this, so just double check. If not, you can definitely get that part from the home store, or you can also buy it off Amazon. I've seen these for just a few dollars on Amazon. And I'll also include in the description links to each of these products so you can figure out exactly what you need and make sure you get the correct parts. All right, so as far as putting it together, the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and remove that dust bag. And once you've got that removed, you can go ahead and put that first flexible rubber coupling on there and just go ahead and tighten down those clamps with a flathead screwdriver. Once you've got that tightened down, then you can go ahead and grab your PVC elbow and just go ahead and slide that into the larger portion, and once again tighten down those clamps. And then finally, you can add your 2.5 inch to 2.5 inch shop vac adapter, and it should slide on there and fit pretty snugly. I didn't even need to use glue on mine, but you definitely can if you prefer to. The reason why I use the elbow here, right now I don't have my saw up against the wall, but if you do, this is a nice way to reduce the amount of space it takes up. And so once you've got all those pieces on there, it's pretty simple. You can just click that last part right into your shop vac, and then you're good to go. And you can see, even with a lot of movement, it doesn't come off. I haven't had any issues with it coming off at all. And you know, even if you do, just tighten down those clamps a little bit more, or you can add some glue if you want to. I really hope that you guys found this helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel, because I've got a lot more great woodworking projects and workshop projects coming for you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching.